Sure ka na ba?
Oo naman, ako ba? Wala naman siya.
Sure na daw, wala nang atrasan.
God has always been faithful in the times I'm not. Through you, He changed my life. You gave me directions, hope, and love.
I am not perfect. I can be difficult to love at times. I have my flaws, but you still chose to stay and accept me and love me for who I am. From this day, I promise to be your rock, your best friend, and your partner. I will stand with you through your ups and downs.
Lani, I first saw you back in 2017 at the Christmas party. So, hindi pa tayo magkakilala. But then, deep in my heart, I believe God had already began writing our story.
Aking sinta, ano bang meron sa iyo?
Stag party yung magabi.
Okay.
On, saya.
From a simple friend request, from you, to small conversations, to worshiping God together every Sunday, to our journey grew little by little until it became something beautiful, so beautiful.
Sa akin mapupungay mong mga mata, wala sa nakakalunod mong ganda. Sa iba, akin ka na.
Daddy, keep this gift as sign of my love for you. Pagsuot mo to, lagi mong maaalala na lahat ng oras ko ay bibigay ko sa'yo. I love you so much. Lani.
Hanggang sa ating pagtanda, mamahalin kita. Basta palagulo.
Thank you.
Huwag ka lang ipitaw habang buhay na ako'y iyo.
Lester, totoo pala talaga ang kasabihan na mapaglaro ang tadhana. Kasi madalas kung sino pa yung taong nandyan lang sa tabi-tabi, ay siya pala talagang nakatadhana para sa atin. Ang tagal na natin magkakilala pero di tayo nagkakapag-usap kahit minsan. And I have to admit, at first, you were not exactly my type. Marami kasi ako naririnig ng chismis tungkol sa'yo. But from the moment we started talking, everything has changed. You proved to be so much better than what others saw. You showed me nothing but kindness, care, and respect, which I never expected. We may have arguments, but I will strive to listen, to understand, and to respond with calmness. I will support all your dreams and to be your #1 cheerleader. I will brighten up your dark days with laughter and love. I'll stay up late waiting for you to come home just to share a moment together and to know that you're safe. And most importantly, I vow to be a loving wife and caring mother to our future child and to make our home full of love and respect. I love you.
Habang buhay na ako.
Today, I give you my heart, my promises, and my love for you. I vow to give you my love every single day of our lives. Love, Lester. Lahat ng karat.
God has been always been faithful, even in the times I'm not. Through you, He changed my life. You gave me direction, hope, and love. And so today, in front of God, our families, our friends, and I make this promise to love you, to stand by you, and to choose you. Pipiliin ka araw-araw. For the rest of my life, I love you forever. I love you.
You may now please surrender. Ladies and gentlemen, I now present to you Mr. and Mrs.
Ko, huwag ka lang bibitaw.